Viral news. Guys, me have a jam-packed news session today. Whole heap of things to talk about. Me have to talk about a woman by the name of Buju from Granville, St. James, where the police them dash way, brawling, my people. Be a protest are going as we speak right now. Me I tell you, my viewers. Also, we have to talk about a music producer who get life in prison, my viewers and subs, for a fake firearm that was found at his house. Also, we can talk about 3 persons who get caught up down a Trelawney by the police. One of them never make it, my people. So guys, we are going to focus on Buju. Buju is the main focus. My viewers, you see when the police them get rid of some real top man where you know get involved in the whole of things, you look in yourself and say, yeah man, you have to applaud the police them for them work here. You see me? Now, me not say Buju no inner things in the people. You see me? Buju can be innocent also in my viewers. You see me? Yeah. And bear this in mind again to my people. It's when you hear about Granville, St. James, first thing come to everybody's mind, bad people. And everybody do things down St. James. You see me? Not because you hear the name Buju. First thing might come to your mind say, boy, Buju is a killer and Buju is a... Get me, I say, my people? Now, Buju was slapped away by the police. And the resident them very upset. Them a protest. Them a say a innocent woman this. The MP come down there, my viewers, and she say, yo, this not look good. This not look good. So my people, I'm going to know what go on. I'm going to read some article and we're going to discuss it together. Now the first article, here the one of people. Police just unalive Buju in Granville just because she say she want peace. And we are protests for them to stop unalive the youth them. And she fi drive out the police. You see me? So according to people, this are the reason why them dash her away. You see me? Now here the one of people. An incident occurred this afternoon involving a female driver reportedly known as Buju has sparked concern among residents after she was unalive by the police officer. According to an initial report, the driver was instructed to put the vehicle in park. It's alleged that she then proceeded to drive the vehicle towards the officer. You see me? And obviously means say at that time the police them decide to open fire upon the woman. Allegedly, my people. Now my viewers and subscribers, this I get from bad to worse. The police them are dashing too much people nowadays now. And then everybody gonna St. James I do the thing them. You see me? The police them need to look for the real man them. We are do the work. We are dash your people daily. We are do all of the nastiness in the community them down at St. James and other parishes. And them need to look for. Now because you hear the name Buju, one things come to your mind and say, boy, he's a criminal this now. You see me? My people, everybody down at St. James, Granville, them have a right for protest. Because if the MP can come and say this no look right, something about this fishy. And you know what going to be the outcome, viewers? We're going to hear the police are get taken off a frontline duty. Yeah. And him going to lose him job. Him not going to prison on him thing there. In the come and investigate. And the case is throw away that, like that, my people. A serious thing are go on. It might go away there. It might not. You can't trust the police more, my viewers. That's why you see more time when them do good. You have to give them a small applause more time, you know. We don't like to see them look things that in the people, them community. And everybody down at St. James are the wrongs, my people. You see me? And everybody when you hear about a name, when you hear about a nickname, alias name, the first thing come to your mind, say the person, nobody know. Yeah, man, the person involved in things. You can't judge a book by its cover, my people. Jano, this serious. You see me? This serious. Oh my gosh. Why them police here have to use violence to get result? Talk to me, the people. Why them officer here have to use aggressiveness to get what them want out of the resident them? Violence is not the action. You see me? You can use common sense. If you do it, people better off, you get better result. That's why the crime rates are high in Jamaica, you know. Because the police them nice, them intelligence. Most of them you say are going to enforce now, them dunce. Them can't read and write. And some of them are going to the force, them are bad man. Dan man gonna force. That's how Jamaica has become corrupt. Because if them can dash a woman like that, then just imagine what them that do somebody younger, my peeps. You see me? But Jano, the thing set away right about now, my people. And right now, the people in St. James, them vex. And them have a right for vex. Because what? Right is right and wrong is wrong. And the police them know better. But the police them always be the aggressor towards everything. Now we're going to talk about this incident, my people, where a music producer get life sentence after a fake gun was found at his home. Now, when you hear that, people, the news specifically saying fake. So you know, once it's fake, it's not real. Now people are questioning the justice system. And I say, how come something like this happen in a Jamaica? What kind of justice system this? For a man have a fake weapon and get life in prison. What kind of work him judge that put in a case here? For see the youth does get locked away. What kind of justice system we have to protect the people them who do wrong? Because it's not every time a man do something wrong, you know, that means they're guilty, you know. You get me I say? And just imagine, you claim someone find a gun in my yard, but it's not real. You see, if it's real now, and do the test, and determine everything that is wrong with that gun here, we could have see the sentence say, yes, this must go away. But the fact of the matter is not real. And when you give the man a life sentence, I joked in this. I really joked in this. So hear this now, people. On February 10th, you see me? Price was convicted in the Supreme Court, gun court, of 8 counts of possession of prohibited weapon and stockpiling prohibited weapon after a joint police military operation uncovered 8 ammunition for limitation, should I say, firearm at his Granville Drive, Kingston 8, home on December 2023. Under the sentence handed down last Friday, the 47-year-old will serve 15 years imprisonment on the possession charges and life imprisonment for stockpiling prohibited weapons. He will become eligible for parole after 10 years, according to the facts outlined in court. Lawmen searched a room at the home and found imitation firearm inside a bag. Investigators said Price told them the item was being used for music videos. When asked whether he had permit for the weapon, he reported told officer he did not, after which he was arrested and charged. Now my people, want to talk to me now. when you talk to me, because based on what I'm reading here, so you can clearly see, like I said, them police officer here, them have a vendetta against the producer here. You see me? Them have a problem with that person here, and them want to send him away for good. Just like them send the Vibes Cartel, them want to send that person there for good. Now you mean to tell me, say, the virgin have some weapon at him premises when basically use for the music video. But I understand them not a permit for them. And yet still them give him 15 years and life imprisonment for stacking them, the people. Once them fake, all them need to do is make him pay some money and move on. Just like that, my people. But, my viewers, I tell you, a serious thing going on in Jamaica, A serious thing happen right now in a Jamaica. The youths them I go behind the bars them for little or no reason. I swear. Because this man are innocent people. This man are innocent. And guess what? Get a youth as a face to fight. Because all the youth and for the people are just get a good lawyer and fight the case. Yeah. And them police and them judge and them go there and know say, yo, this a producer probably now have enough money if you can do certain thing to people. But yo, this a idiot thing. It's a sadness. It's a sadness of viewers and stuff, but time will tell. Hope him walk free. You need for us to get a different lawyer, work out something. And cause when you see something like this from people, you start to say to yourself, Jesus, please. Why get a youth have to go through them things? If it's a rich uptown youth, him nah get all them things, people. Believe it or not. The man nah get all them things. Because I tell you, most of them uptown youth, you see, them father involved in all kind of different politics, all kind of different ranks. And them nah get catch. And they get to youth them. We are trying to make it out of life. And them are the one that get the problem. You see me? Now we're going to talk about the next story now, my people. We're going to talk about a car wash operator who was unalive in St. Andrew. I swear. Remember the people? The man running car wash, and the man them come for him and a joke thing. So a search is on for a group of men involved in the unalive of a 59-year-old car wash operator, Samuel Foster, on Saturday night. Reports are that about 8:15 p.m., Foster, otherwise called Alex, was in the community of others at his place of business along Central Avenue in St. Andrew when a grey Toyota Axia motor car with three occupants who were wearing ski masks, drove up. And people want to know after that. Channel Star. You can't do a business in peace, my viewers and subscribers. Get a youth. Be careful how you want to do. You see me? The time gets serious right about now, my people. And the youths nowadays now, them thirsty. They will do anything at all for knock you out. You see me? They will do anything at all to get success. You see me? Now this is a sad one, my people. This is a dangerous one. You can't have your way as how you want in a Jamaica. You have to be careful, because I'm telling the people, you don't put them out. Yeah, the wickedness them out. Nowadays now you have to be careful when you run a business. You have to be careful who you have link with. You have to make sure you don't own money and all these things, my people. Jamaica gone. What you think about a man, the America, Canada, England? Them man decide say, yo, me now come to Jamaica, come to no business. Because the man afraid for lose him life. When the America and him own a business, my people, a different thing that. You see me? A different thing that. You can do your thing America and Canada, you know. And a man not trouble you. I'm gonna have to think twice to trouble you. But Jamaica now, my peeps, I swear, man, I come for you. It's very, very serious, my peeps. John One Star, wow. Now I'm gonna talk about the final incident I'm gonna talk about right about now, people. Took place in Trelawney, in a place called Hague. You see me I say? Yeah, where 3 persons pick up can. One of them never make it, my people. You see when the police them knock it upon them. Hey, them police are not ramping, my people. What me say? Them police are not ramp. You can't put them police nowadays, because guess what? Them are try them best as possible for knock out as much man as them can. Them never gonna laugh into nobody right about now, my people. What's like how the country I move upside down right about now, my viewers. Now, to that 3 man was shot, one fatally during a alleged confrontation with the police in Hague, Trelawney on Saturday night. Reports are that sometime after 8 p.m., the men were among a group traveling in a Toyota Probox when they reported to engage the police in a shootout. Now, my viewers and subscribers, as a typical Jamaica, you know, we used to hear them thing, you know. Yeah, we used to hear the police them say, man point fire and pan them and man take them on in a car. Me not say no go say no people. You can go that way, you know, but you don't know if you believe, because remember, them police can write any little thing at all. Them can write anything and say I say it go. Yeah. Some of them police can tell be a lie. But this highlight say, yo, youths and youths, nothing no one do. The crime high. You can't talk how you part the man pan the ends and you and a man go pan you and a man go crush your ends and them thing. No, youth. Because enough time man bring man pan ends, you know. A man knows him 3 pints. Just like that. Because it's one thing with them police, yeah, you see anything at all suspicious with them see, them a knock it pan you, them now bring you in, them now ask question. So that one person where the man them unalive, the next 2 should be lucky. Yeah, when you come to the basin right about now, get a youth. Now for wise up, get a youth. Don't make the system take on out. You see me? My viewers, I'm out. Please go up on the surf as usual, you know, and pass through next time I can talk.